Now, this expression on the board here is what we call the floor function. Now, how do we go about it? Now, looking at the expression inside, now this is giving us 1 plus this 1 over 2 is giving us 0.5. Now plus 1 over 4 is giving us a 0.25. Okay, now adding all, here we have 1.75. Now take note that the answer here is not 1.75. Now let us come to what we call the number line. Let's assume that this is 1 and this is 2. Now let us assume that here is 1.75. all right. Now for floor function, now take note that it is the greatest integral that is less than or equal to 1.75. So the greatest integral that is less than 1.75 is 1. Okay, so to this end, the value of this floor function equals to 1. All right, thank you and God bless you.